Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Johnny. Today we're going to be doing something outside in the garage here. We are going to be programming remotes to a Craftsman half horsepower garage door opener. So we got the Craftsman LiftMaster remotes. You can use these with pretty much any kind of generic remotes. If you got the Craftsman, they come with the Craftsman, but I got these LiftMaster remotes because I couldn't find the remote. So we need to program these to the Craftsman, this is called the receiver, this big piece receiver. And obviously these are remotes, right? So you click the button, the light comes on. You can see the light comes on, right? But it doesn't work, right? So what we want to do is we want to program the receiver to the transmitter. Any one of these garage door openers, it doesn't really matter what kind. They basically work on the same premise. You get the radio frequency from the remote. It receives it here. Yeah, so we want to program receiver for each transmitter. They call this the transmitter, but you know, we're not going to get technical. This is the garage door opener, and this is the garage door opener remote for our purposes, right? So on the garage door opener itself, there's usually instructions on how to do it for your particular case here. So we will read those instructions. But basically, all you do is there's a button somewhere on the garage door opener. So there's a button. In this case, it's a red button, right? Let me flip this. All right. So usually there's directions on each of the garage door openers that you buy. In this particular case, you press this button right here. You see that light? You press the button on the remote that you want. The light flicks on and off, like you saw. And then, bam, guess what? You got your working door. But guess what? We got another one we got to do, the second one. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing. Press this button here. Light turns on. Press this button once. Flicks on. You see that light flick on? And now the remote should work. Oh, look at there. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Yeah. So there's a quick and dirty, easy way on how to program a garage door remote. This one happens to be a Craftsman. This one happens to be LiftMaster, but kind of the same thing for any kind of, for most types. I haven't messed with every kind, but for most type of garage door openers and garage door opener remotes, it works the same way. So, got any questions? Leave a comment below. As always, give me a like, comment, subscribe. And I know this is probably something that you're dreading to do because the remote stopped working or whatever. Check the battery too. You know, make sure the light works. Check the battery, but you know, it's a lot easier than it looks, really. But you know, on some different garage door openers, it'll be a different color button or something, but it's pretty much the same thing. Like I said, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and talk to you later. Peace out.